Hello and welcome back again. Today's video is not about the Renault Zoe, but about its predecessor, the mighty Renault 4. We will carry out a compression test today. So first of all, we want to heat up the engine to normal operating temperature. I am removing the main distributor cable and the spark plugs. They don't look bad, but once out I clean them with a steel brush. Oh, hello Alina! So this is the pressure gauge we're going to use to measure the compression. I will screw it into the first spark plug hole, and then Jarno will crank the engine over with the accelerator pushed for a few seconds while I can read the pressure on the gauge. This is called the dry test. For the wet test, we fill a little bit of oil into the cylinder through the spark plug hole before measuring again. A wet test will tell us if a potential pressure loss is at the piston rings or at the valves. If the difference between the dry and the wet test is high, the piston rings are the main suspects, otherwise the valves. With this Renault 4, the pressure of both tests is 12 bar, so exactly as per the technical manual, so everything is okay. Yoo-hoo! We will have to perform this test for every cylinder, and it is also important to check for greater variations of pressure between the cylinders, which could also be an indication for a broken cylinder head gasket. As you could see, the compression test is pretty easy and straightforward, and everything seems to be perfectly fine on this car, so we can put the Renault 4 back into his home in the barn. You will definitely meet her again this summer, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.